Okay guys, mag-unbox tayo ng doorbell camera. Pangalan niya Ring. Yan. Come on. That's it. Yeah, it comes with charger. Yung charger niya walang anong tawag nun, yung adapter. So, sasaksak mo pa yan. Tapos ayan, it comes with sticker. At saka yung book na po. Tapos
I want another one.
yung ilalagay mo sa ituturnilyo mo sa sa wall.
Oh, there is no sticker on it. I got this one.
Pero bili ako ng separate para hindi na kailangan ng tornilyo.
Alright,
Ayun
okay.
lang, i-stick mo lang doon sa sa wall niya. Yan kasi kailangan niya ng screw tornilyo mo pa. Masisira ang wall.
To use screw.
Yung sticker, stick na lang. Yan. Mas maganda.
There you go. Oh, what is that? Yeah. And there is a extra. Okay, that's good. And this is the door cam. Indoor cam. Don't need that one at the moment. So this one, that one. They also confusing you because they selling this separately. If you want to buy it, it's 99p I think, but it's already included in here. So that one and that one.
Okay, yan lang. Tapos na.
We'll set up